Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to get a refund on Agoda. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to open your web browser and navigate to www.agoda.com. Once you're in, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, go ahead and click on your profile name at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you can see this drop down menu. From the drop down menu, select bookings, and that's going to take you to my bookings window. It'll take you to the bookings window where you have all your current and past bookings in there. So in the my bookings section, you see tabs for upcoming, completed, and cancelled. Now under the upcoming tab, find the booking you wish to cancel. Now click on the booking you want to cancel to view its details. Once you do that, look for the cancel booking option, which is typically located at the top of the booking details page or within the booking conditions section at the bottom. After clicking cancel booking, a pop-up window will appear asking for the reason for cancellation. Select the appropriate reason from the drop-down menu and click continue with cancellation. On the next page, confirm your decision by clicking cancel this booking. I'd like you to note that Agoda's refund policies vary depending on the property's name. For free cancellation, if your booking includes free cancellation and you cancel before the specified deadline, you are eligible for a full refund. For non-refundable cancellation, some bookings are not refundable, meaning no refund is provided upon cancellation. Likewise, in certain cases, you may receive a partial refund based on the property's cancellation policy. So always review the cancellation policy associated with your booking before proceeding. After cancellation, Agoda typically processes refunds within 10 days. However, the time it takes for the funds to appear in your accounts can vary depending on your payments method and financial institution. In some cases, it may take up to 30 days or until your next billing cycle. Once the refund is processed, Agoda will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. You can also check the status of your refund by logging into your Agoda account and navigating to the My Booking section. And there you have it. Canceling a booking and obtaining the refund on Agoda is straightforward when you follow the steps that I've just walked you through. Always remember to review the cancellation policy before making changes to your reservation. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.